Dinesh Agarwal, CEO and founder with IndiaMART joins us now. Let's connect with him to understand how things have transpired for IndiaMART for the quarter gone by. Dinesh, good morning. Thank you for joining us. I scanned through the various brokerage notes which have come on IndiaMART. The headline is very simple. ARPU was impressive, but stagnant new addition is a concern going forward, and the number of unique inquiries are limited. So what is the right way of looking at the numbers? ARPU is great news, but new subscriber addition is a concern.
Yes, so new subscriber addition has been subdued in this particular quarter. We used to add about 8,000 subscribers, paying subscribers every quarter for the last 5-6 quarters. And this particular quarter, two things have happened. One, probably in the last 18 months, we have added 60,000 new customers, and most of them are at the bottom of the pyramid in the first year. So the churn levels of the first year customer and the entry level customers are a little higher, which is causing this. Secondly, we upwardly revised our entry level pricing by 500 rupees per month, from 2,500 rupees to 3,000 rupees per month in the middle of the quarter. And that will take, the sales team will take some 1 or 2 quarters to stabilize that. So we believe that, yes, this is a dampener. However, maybe one more quarter of 6K, and then we will try to get back to that 7,000 to 8,000 subscriber addition per quarter. And this will continue to add to our ARPU increase over a longer period of time.
Subscribers which you are planning to add, will they be coming at higher ARPU or lower ARPU? Because typically when a customer comes in, they start with lower ARPU, and if they like your services, they ramp up.
Yes, so we had this pricing in 2018, which was 3,000 rupees a month. However, during the COVID, we wanted to give this benefit to the small and medium enterprises, and we reduced the prices by 20% to 2,500 rupees. And that is what we have only brought back. We have not gone with any price increase at the bottom of the pyramid. Whatever price ARPU increase that you are seeing in the last 3 years, that is purely and purely coming because of the higher ARPU being adopted by the customers in the gold and platinum categories.
I also wanted to understand, Dinesh, your earlier intent that you made public about doubling your revenues by 2027. Is that target on track?
Yes, I think very much on track. We are growing at about 25% per annum. Quarter on quarter, we are growing at about 25%. So I think as long as we are able to do upwards of 22%, we should be able to do that.
Mr. Agarwal, hi, morning. What is the outlook when it comes to your margin picture as well? Because it has been strong at over 27%. You have spoken about the price hikes as well that you've taken. Do you think that a 30% margin on a full year basis is something that looks achievable?
Yeah. So given that last 18 months, in general, the salaries have gone up, and we have also started to invest in growth heavily. As you can see, our growth rates have actually improved from pre-COVID levels. So I guess if not this financial year, maybe next financial year, but I think we are working towards making sure that our margins tend towards 30% quarter on quarter.
What is the spirit behind getting a buyback? I mean, if your business is slowing down and there could be struggle for next 2 or 3 quarters, shouldn't you be conserving the cash?
So if you see, we already have 2,400 crores of cash. And out of that, we have a deferred revenue and customer advances of 1,200 crores. This year, again, we will be generating about 500 to 600 crores of cash by way of cash flow from operation as well as from the treasury income. So we said, 2,400 crores of cash is sufficient for us, and let us return the excess capital that is coming in, because we are not able to find any M&A opportunities as of now. As and when we will find M&A opportunities, we will relook at our capital allocation strategy.
What is the right benchmark to look at your numbers? Since you're a subscriber-based portal, one benchmark markets look at is that what is the repeat customer? In this case, how much of your subscribers are renewing their contracts? What is the churn there? Could you clarify on those fronts?
Yes, I've been telling that we have three kinds of buckets of customer. Gold and platinum, we have less than 1% churn per month on the overall bucket. Between silver monthly and silver annual, we have about 2 to 3% churn every month, and silver monthly we have about 5 to 6% churn every month.
Know the rationale of that tender buyback at about 4,000, and if you can just tell us a little bit about whether or not the promoters are going to be participating.
Yeah, it is a tender buyback and everybody should be participating. Promoters have not never sold any single share post IPO.
Good to have you on board. Thank you so much for taking time out and giving us those clarifications. So the management confident that they will be doubling their revenues, their margins as well will be looked at close to 30%. Time to move on from one corporate voice to another, and Glenmark, it has been nothing short of a pretty strong quarter. Robust growth in the API segment, profits have been healthy, and ditto when it comes to the EBITDA. Let's connect with Yasir Rawji, who is the MD and CEO at Glenmark Life Sciences.